Hello everybody, how have you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can use the app of First Citizen's mobile banking account. But before that, a short description of First Citizen Bank. First Citizen Bank is basically a bank holding company based in Raleigh, North Carolina, which means it's an American bank, alright? And its primary subsidiary is First Citizen Bank, which means it is also known as First Citizen Bank, alright? And it is one of the largest bank in the United States, so it falls under like the largest bank in USA. All right, now let me show you guys how you guys can use its app. But before that, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. Let's move on. First step, open the app. Once the app opens up, wait for some time until it loads up. And once the app loads up, click on proceed. Once you click on proceed, it's going to ask you to agree to its terms and service. Click on accept. On the next step, it's going to ask you to enter your user ID, so enter your user ID. After entering your user ID, click on proceed. Then it's gonna ask you to enter your date of birth. So enter your date of birth. So over here you can choose like which day you were born, and over here you can even choose like which month. So I'm gonna choose the month over here. After choosing the month, you can even choose the year. I'm gonna choose the year. After choosing the year, click on OK. Click on proceed. And on the next step, it's going to ask you for some more information, all right? And after, providing all the information, you should be registered for First Citizen's bank account using the mobile banking app of First Citizen Bank. So yeah, that's basically how we guys can use First Citizen's mobile banking app in order to create yourself an account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Now remember, through this method, you can always create an online mobile banking app account. If you don't have a First Citizen bank account, you need to go to their website in order to create account first, like a checking account, saving account, or loan account. Then only after that process you can create yourself an online banking account of that account. So let's say I have a checking account. If I want to create an online banking account, I need to enter the details of my checking account. Then I'll have an online banking account for that checking account, which means the money stored on my checking account can be accessed through the app. All right, that's what it does. So hope you understand. Stay safe. Bye bye.